In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an alternative email address or email alias in Hostinger. Now, if you've ever wanted a quick way to streamline email management or simply diversify the way you manage incoming messages, creating an email alias can be a fantastic way to do that. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to visit the Hostinger website. Open up your preferred web browser and head to hpanel.hostinger.com. It's important to have your account credentials handy, as you'll need to log in to access your dashboard. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, where you can manage various aspects of your hosting plan. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you will see an array of options. Click on the option labeled Emails. This is where you can manage all email settings associated with your domain. It might take a moment to load, so don't worry if it doesn't appear instantly. After the page has loaded, you will see a list of your email accounts. This is your central hub for managing your emails. You'll want to find the option called Manage next to your domain's email service. Click on Manage, and you'll be taken to a more detailed overview of your email settings. Now, your next step is to look for Email Alias. An alias is essentially a different email address that forwards messages to your main account. It doesn't have its own inbox, but it helps in managing incoming emails by directing them to your primary address. Click on Email Alias to proceed. Once you're on the Email Alias page, you'll see an option that says Create Alias. Click on this and you'll be prompted to enter the desired alias name. Here, you can be creative or strategic about the alias you want to create. For instance, if you need separate emails for customer queries or newsletters, this is where you can customize them. Type in the alias you want. Once you've chosen a name for your alias and you're satisfied with it, the last step is to click on Create. This action will finalize your setup, creating a seamless link between your main email account and the new alias. It's as simple as that. Congratulations, you've now successfully created an email alias in Hostinger. This little trick can be incredibly useful for managing different types of emails without having to create entirely separate accounts. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to give a thumbs up and feel free to explore our other tutorials for more handy tips. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.